All right, let's discuss example 8.1. MKZ Airlines is planning a project investment, the purchase of 3 Cessna aircraft to fly a specific route. The cost of acquisition of aircraft, including all charges, is $2 million. It's expected that the annual net revenue from operations will be $1.5 million. And then thereby, the aircraft will be sold for $1.2 million. This yields a total net cash flow of $2.7 million, like right here. So our cash outflow is -2. Our cash inflow is 2.7. And now it's not that straightforward that we can just say the net profit is $700,000. So we have to look closely at the present values. See, the alternative opportunity MKZ is considering is to invest money in non-risky bonds. So that is the opportunity cost of capital, and that is the 3.5%, which I'm going to mark in yellow here. That's the most readily available color, it seems, in Excel. The present value from investing the $2.7 million, we can find out as follows. So that will be equal to 2.7 divided by parenthesis 1 plus the rate to the power of 1, the time period. So that's how you get the 2608696. And then that's the present value of the cash inflow. And that plus the present value of cash outflow will give us the net present value of the project. So that's how we solve example 8.1. Thank you for listening.